This microwave protein cheesecake has 39 grams of protein and tastes just like a cheesecake, only much healthier for you. Start with a bowl to mix your ingredients in. Add 3 ounces of cream cheese. You can soften it by leaving it out for several minutes or microwaving it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Add 2 ounces of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Add 1/3 a cup of vanilla protein powder. If your protein powder isn't sweet enough, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a sweetener of your choice. Finally, crack open and add 1 large egg. That's it for the base ingredients. You can optionally add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a teaspoon of lemon juice to enhance the flavor, but those are not necessary. Mix everything together until everything is fully incorporated. Take out another bowl and spray it with some oil. Pour your mixture into that bowl, then you're ready to microwave. We'll microwave this in 30-second intervals. Place your bowl in your microwave, then microwave it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, check up on it. It should still be loose and liquidy. Microwave it again for another 30 seconds. You'll want to repeat this process 1 to 2 more times. Eventually, the edges will start to solidify. You can also microwave it in intervals of 15 seconds to make sure you don't overcook it. It's best to leave the center a little runny so your cheesecake doesn't get too rubbery. Once the center is just slightly runny, you're done microwaving. Let it cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes before wrapping it in plastic wrap and placing it in the fridge. You'll want to refrigerate it for about 30 to 60 minutes, although longer helps with the texture. Once you're ready to eat your cheesecake, take it out of the fridge. Add the toppings of your choice on top. I'm going with blueberries and raspberries for today. Then you're set to enjoy your microwave protein cheesecake. The best advice I can give you for this recipe is to leave the center a bit on the runnier side instead of fully solid. That way your cheesecake doesn't end up too rubbery. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high protein dessert recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.